So how to click on making this shareable or that anyone can access has become a little bit more difficult, hence my question that I would like to ask. So the first thing that I'm going to get you to do in order for me to be able to view is that I'm going to get you to click off restricted users, and we're going to click save so that anybody outside of our board can also answer. Then we're going to click on send. I'm sorry I used the language share. In Google Forms, it's send. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at adding me. So what I would like you to do here in your own Google form is to add my name just so that I can see it. The other thing that we can do is change that people who have options of looking at it, what they have there. You could also add me to editing if you would like me to look through it that way, and type in my name or give that link specifically to me. But those are the ways that you share this. And then, of course, you know how to get the link, but you just need to open up the sharing just in terms of allowing me to access it.